Stop by and take a look at 2018 Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, daytime running lights, dual exhaust, outside temperature gauge, backup camera, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.